By 2020, the global drone market will be worth up to $127 billion. Drones will revolutionize many industries. The main obstacle is the difficulty integrating drones into the airspace in a safe and legal way. Breaking the rules causes the smallest drone to pose a major threat to everyone, including bystanders and manned aviation. With Unifly UTM, authorities can visualize and manage drone flights and declare no-fly zones. Drone operators can plan, track, and validate their drones and their flights in line with international and local regulation. Unifly UTM is the standard. Here's why. We support SWIM standards, the standard protocol that all stakeholders in aviation use to communicate. We use reliable data from worldwide sources for global data coverage, including meteorology, NOTAM, obstacles, and no-fly zones. Through real-time messaging, we communicate with operators and drones in a passive or active information exchange. Hyper-local accurate aeronautical navigation data provides reliable and trustworthy data for your location. Unify is a world leader in UTM. Our platform connects ANSPs and official entities with drone operators. Our objective is the safe integration of drones into the airspace. Unifly, bridging the gap between manned and unmanned aviation.